To view previously submitted quotes, hover the mouse over Orders, Order Status, and then click Quotes. This will bring up the list of quotes submitted under your account. To view a quote, click on the quote number. From here, you can convert it to an order. Once a quote is converted to an order, no changes can be made from DeMI, and you will need to contact customer service. To view open orders, hover your mouse over Orders, Order Status, and then click Open Orders. This will populate all open orders with Linx Industries. To view the details of the order, click the order number. To view invoices, hover your mouse over Orders and then click Invoices. This will populate a list of invoices. To view the details, click the invoice number. To view shipments, hover your mouse over Orders and then click Shipments. This will populate a list of shipments. To view details of the shipment, click the shipment number. Once again, we are excited to introduce DeMI, your portal to everything Linx. We hope you found this video helpful. For more details, other videos, or documentation, please visit the DeMI website or contact us directly.